How to cancel an order on Uber Eats. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can cancel an order on Uber Eats, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to cancel your order on the Uber Eats, it depends upon which stage the order is actually in, because sometimes what happens is that you could have already ordered it, the restaurant might have already prepared the order, and that is one of those cases where you will not be able to cancel the order and then you have to pay a specific amount of fee to cancel it. But if you want to go ahead and cancel it regardless of all this, you can just open the Uber Eats application here. After you launch the Uber Eats application, you're going to be able to see this sort of interface over here where you have to just go to the store option or the cart option, as you can find it. Once you come to the cart option, at the very top right you'll find a section called orders. You want to make sure to just tap on the orders option, and as you tap on the orders option over here, you'll be able to find this option, all of these orders that you've made. So you can basically just go ahead and select the specific order that you would like to actually find out, and then you can cancel them respectively. This way you can cancel an order on Uber Eats. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.